y'all, welcome back to my channel. Queen Marie here with a new video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell button to be notified as soon as your girl upload a new video. So as you can tell by the title, y'all, today I'm going to be installing a T-part frontal wig for the first time. So let's get right into the video. So as you can see, I did want to try to make this video as easy as possible for beginners. So I will not be doing the ball cap method. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and put the cap over my hair. But as you can see right now, I'm just going in with the got2b freeze spray just to lay my hair down. Just so you know, no glue would get on my hair. And instead of me doing a ball cap method, yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and do it the easy way and just go ahead and just put the cap over my hair. I do have a detailed video on how I do my ball cap method. If you would like to learn how, I will leave that link down below in the description box. And now I'm going to go ahead and use this cotton ball with alcohol on it just to clean my forehead so the frontal can last longer. And here she go, y'all. She is Aquafina. Okay, she is too cute. So I did watercolor this wig, y'all. I will leave the colors down below in the description box. It did come 613, but as you can see, it is a T-part frontal, y'all. It did come with 4 clips, and also, as you can see, it is a deep middle part. So I'm not able to part it no other way, but don't even worry because we fit to get into it. And so, y'all, as you can see, the only thing I'm doing now is I'm going to go ahead and tint my lace, but instead of me actually tinting it, I'm just gonna go in with my makeup. Like I said, y'all, this is a beginner friendly video. If you know how to tint it using anything else, that's totally fine, but this is for beginners. You can use any makeup that you use for your face and put it on the lace, y'all. So you'll see here shortly how it blends in and everything. Aquafina for me. Y'all, as y'all can see, I was really feeling myself when I said this blue was so cute on me, y'all. Like, let me go ahead and have my little photo shoot. Just give me a minute. Okay, y'all, let's get back into the video. Oh, and y'all already know we can never ignore my lashes though. These are my queen lashes. If y'all want to check them out, go ahead and hit me up on my business Instagram, and you do have a code down below in the description box. Now for the lace. If you've been watching my videos when I do install my frontals, y'all do know I like to go ahead and cut my lace into 3 sections. It does make it easier for me to lay my lace down and to put the glue on my hair. It just make it easier all the way around. So yeah, the only thing I'm doing now is cutting my frontal into 3 separate parts, and yeah. So for my adhesive, I'm going to be going in with the got2b freeze spray, y'all, just because I'm not trying to keep this wig on for too long, because your girl will be going to Cali in like 2 weeks, y'all. So I will have a video coming up. I was thinking about doing a really pretty protective style or whatever. I don't know, but y'all just stay tuned. But anyway, so yeah, I'm going to go in with this got2b freeze spray glue, y'all. This does work, but you just have to make sure you put enough layers and make sure it's sticky enough before you put the lace down. So that's the only thing I'm doing now. I do believe I did probably like 5 layers, y'all, but again, just keep doing it until it gets sticky enough to leave your lace down. Okay. Now that I tied my lace down, I'm gonna go in with my ⴑ wax stick, y'all. I did already flat iron my hair off camera, so my hair is already flat iron, but I did not use my wax stick. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the wax stick, and I'm gonna go ahead and hot comb my hair just to lay it down as flat as possible. Baby, when I say this hot comb does the work, if you have not invested in a hot comb, you should. It is at any local beauty supply. I do have the one that you put on the stove like back in the days, but y'all, when I say this does the work, baby girl, go ahead and invest in one, sis. Okay, so now time to cut off the ear tabs, y'all. I'm not going to lie, this was the hardest part. I don't know just because if it's the T part frontal or if it's a 13x1. I don't know, but y'all, for some reason, a regular frontal would not give me this much trouble. Like, I was really having a hard time cutting off my ear tabs. I'm not going to lie. So y'all gonna see me struggling a little bit, but honestly, this was the hardest part of this wig is the ear tabs. But if you know how to do it, baby girl, I salute you, because for some reason I was having a really hard time. So yeah, let me stop talking so y'all can see the struggle or whatever. So now after I did my ear tabs, I'm going to go in with this eyebrow razor, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut off my lace. I do use the eyebrow razor just because it's easier for me. But then again, you can use scissors. You can use whatever is best for you. But just a reminder, do not cut straight across. You do want to do a little zigzag or whatever, okay? going to use the Got To Be Freeze Spray just to lay down the lace that did come up when I was cutting off my lace. But other than that, y'all, that's about it. I'm not going to do any baby hairs with this style just because I do notice color hair, you can't see the baby hair as much, and I just honestly was just feeling this style as is, and I honestly did not want to mess up anything, y'all. So yeah, this is the style, y'all. If y'all like this video, don't forget to give your girls a thumbs up. And y'all, one thing I did like about this T-part wig is that, do y'all see the part though? It goes all the way back. I really like that. But y'all, I'm not done yet. I did forget to tell y'all, I'm gonna show y'all how I kind of like make my part look a little natural or whatever. So yeah, just stay tuned for that, y'all. And I'll be seeing y'all next week on my next video. Love you guys. Bye.